Welcome to the third video on our Derbyshire Dales trip in our little micro camper. In the last episode you see me for sunrise photography at Derwent Dam. Well, in this episode we visit High Peak for a quick stop off and then on to Padley Gorge. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and click that like button. It does really help me out. Well, let's get on with the video. Hi. Since leaving the where we stopped last night, unfortunately my back really played up this morning. We've gone to by Odin Mill, which I'd actually been to before, which you'll have just seen a few pictures. We're now at Padley Gorge, and just about to have a walk around, so see what we see. Right, I'm kind of at the top, I think. It looks like it's plateaued out. To be honest, do not come up this way if you have problems with walking. I mean, I am just about getting one foot in front of the other. I didn't realise how steep it was, and that. But like I say, once you're halfway, you've got to keep going. So, but yeah, it seems to have plateaued out now. So hopefully we'll get to the end, or wherever it's going anyway. Hopefully you can hear me with the noise of the waterfall just behind me there. Getting down to this part was a bit treacherous. There was parts of the path that had been a bit muddy, so you've just got to watch your step. Because as you come down, it looks like you can go to the left, but you can't, and it's then to the right. There's a little bench there and that, but here it's absolutely gorgeous with the water, and very noisy with the water as well, but at the same sense very peaceful. Right, basically finished. Bit of stupidity on our part. Basically, as I did the introduction while I was over the bridge, which is by the calf, we walked straight down and followed the route that way. But there's a little gate just by the side of the bridge there, which then brings you all the way up just by the side of the creek, which are the last pictures and videos that you've actually seen. So really, if you're going to come here, then go from the calf just before that little bridge, go through the gate, and then you can go that way. And if you do want the longer walk through this wooded area, then that's fine. But it is steep that way. Steepish this way and a bit uneven, but a lot easier to get to the waterfall. Right, so for tonight, for dinner, we are having
beans and sausages with ravioli and wraps to dip into it.
There we go, something quick, easy, not the most healthiest, but for the size of this camper, you can't keep fresh stuff or anything else. But tonight we should have a view like that, hopefully. We're not too sure whether to stop here because we are on a main road. According to Park for Night, it's good, but we will see. In the end, we decided not to stay by Padley Gorge, so we just drove a few miles and found some parking just below Stanage Edge. Unfortunately, that evening it was just basically pouring it down a rain, so we didn't go out, so just relaxing in the camper, just watching some TV. Well, anyway, hope you've enjoyed this short video, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, do all that your kind of YouTubey stuff, because it does help. And I'll see you in the next episode, which is me getting up at sunrise to get to the top of Stanage Edge for some nice photos. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.